They say even the longest journey begins with just one step. We say it begins with getting your gear on the roof so you can bring along more friends. Hey there, this is Scott from Yakima. Does your vehicle already have factory rails up on the roof? Then the Yakima RailGrab towers are what you need to build a super versatile, super sturdy rack system that makes more room to take more friends. The RailGrab system begins with a set of Yakima RailGrab towers. You'll add crossbars that fit your vehicle, then add the Yakima gear that fits your lifestyle. Thanks to the included interchangeable mounting claws, the RailGrab's versatile design works with most raised or flush side rails. Visit Yakima.com to find the proper fit for your vehicle. The small claw grabs onto rails with shallow lips or channels. The medium claw grabs most mid-sized rails, and the large claw will secure the RailGrab to large, round, tube-style rails. Depending on the fit of the vehicle, the RailGrab claw can be interchanged as needed. Simply unscrew the claw adjuster knob and replace with the correct size of claw. Now, loosen the silver bar tightener screw a few turns, and let's put a couple of towers and end caps on each bar. It's called a claw, so you know it's made to grab, so let's adjust the RailGrab claws to grab onto your factory rails. First, loosen the claw adjustment knob and raise or lower the claw vertically so it will meet the rail at the proper spot. Now, using the black tightening screw in the tower body, adjust the claw horizontally to tighten the tower against the rail. Check the markings on the tower you just installed and use the hash marks as a guide to set the height of the remaining claws. Once all the towers are locked down, just make sure the crossbar is centered and tighten the silver bar screw. Grab the crossbar inside of the towers and give the bar a tug in all directions to ensure everything is nice and tight. Before you install the rear rack, make sure you visit Yakima.com to find the minimum and maximum width between bars you need. This is based on the kind of carriers and cargo you plan on putting on the system. Everything looks good. Consider adding a Yakima wind fairing to make your entire system sound good too. If you're installing the recommended locks, check out Yakima's SKS same key system, so all the locks for your base rack, as well as any other accessories you add, will work with just one key. To install locks, remove the plastic plug from each tower. Place the control key in a lock core. Line the core up with the lock housing and press it in. Holding the lock core with your thumb, remove the control key, then use a locking key to turn and secure each lock. Hey, it looks like we're locked. Now let's get loaded. Now the journey can begin. And now, when all the gear goes here, more friends go here. Yakima, take more friends.